Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn any MikroTik router into a fully automated paid Wi-Fi hotspot business using WifiPadi. Instead of spending hours to write scripts inside Winbox or printing paper voucher manually, we're going to set up an automated online payment, automated onboarding of our MikroTik router with a single script with less than 3 minutes. So let's get straight to it. As you can see, this is a fresh new MikroTik router. So I'll just accept this and set. Oh no, okay. What password? So I would accept everything here. Good. So now we're done. The next thing we'll do at that is that we'll go ahead and create an account, but of course I have an account created already. So from an account, the first thing, one of the setup for a new account on WifiPadi is to set up a location. Now I've created a location. So a location is basically a simple venue or a site where you sell Wi-Fi. For example, a campus hostel, an office plaza. This allows WifiPadi to group your analytics and venue per site. So let's now I have this already, but we can go ahead and say another hostel is Uniloring Cafe, right? And same thing, address Uniloring Cafe and add location. So now that we have the location added, the next thing is we need to connect our gateway. A gateway is actually a router at that specific location that connects your user to the internet. So we'll go to gateways, click add gateways, and then device option. So we are setting up a MikroTik, so I'll pick this option. Name of the router, Uniloring Cafe router, and select the location. We'll go with this option, and then this we now click the button add gateway. This gives you the one-time command you need to set up everything. So what you do is just copy this, right, and then look for your Winbox that already logged in, paste this there and click install. So what happens behind the scenes is that this does everything for you. Download, set up everything. As you could see, everything is going on, and boom, everything has been connected right now. So but for us, how do we know? Let's go back to the dashboard, and you can see that installed, configured, installing a portal agent registry, and then we are online. Done. So we can go back here to that location, to that gateway, and then you see that the status has changed to online. So which means that our Winbox is online. You also have an option of remote configuring inside Winbox instead of opening Winbox every time. And so the next thing is that for a single location, right? For a location, the next thing you should do is you also need to create a plan, right? Plan on how to plan to sell per gig, per day, per week, and the rest. So I'll go ahead and just create a for this free plan for 1 day, 0, and unlimited. I don't plan to do any of this. Then I go ahead and create a plan. So now we have the plan ready. So how do we test this? So I'm going for the free plan simply because I don't want to set up a payment gateway. Okay. Then another thing I think I plan to do is to also customize my landing. So test like my captive portal. Test Yusuf. That's my business name, and then you can see the data here, and publish this. Good. The only thing left right now is our payment provider, so you can only just go ahead and look at it. Since I'm going with the free plan, I don't need to set this. Yes. So now you could see that everything here is set, but we need to test if this is actually working. So I'll go ahead now and connect one of my device to the Alright, so we want to test the captive portal if everything is working fine now. The name of the access point is Pontonet 011. So I'll click on this. If everything works fine, this should point our captive portal. And as you can see, this is the exact name we use when we are trying to just design the captive portal page. So I'll go ahead and just sign up now. Test Yusuf. Anyway, this is just a test account. And I'll use this phone number. Alright. No, not yet. Just go ahead and create this account. Alright, so now account has been created. Since remember I said we don't need to set up the payment here, so we can go with the free plan, and then we click continue. Everything works fine now. So we can do this. Fast.com. Yeah, perfect. So live session has changed to 1, and this customer is on free plan. My status is active, and so now you will see how fantastic this is. With less than 5 minutes, we have everything set up, phone connected, and you can now sell Wi-Fi to anybody you want without stressing to memorize or look online for how to debug one MikroTik router. So yeah, I will leave you can try WifiPadi. You can also try WifiPadi completely free on your own router. You have 21 days access to test it without any card. I will leave the link in the description. Like and subscribe if you found this very helpful. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next one.